Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. This won't have too much to do with Corel Draw. It's about Keychain Thingies. I saw these last year at the APA show, and I've been meaning to talk to these people. And this last week, I saw them at the Next Level Laser in Grapevine, Texas, near Dallas. And they had a booth set up, and they gave me some samples. This is their sample pack, and they sell the split rings. I've made a lot of keychains with split rings, and when you do them on acrylic or wood, to open that split ring up and put it in that wood without breaking the wood or without scratching the acrylic. So these come in like three different, or I use three different shapes. This flatter one, they have clear, then they have some that are actually smaller. And I'm not affiliated with these people, and I'm not getting paid to say this. I love these things. I mean, you can make your keychain so much faster and I think better looking. So we go to their website, and I'll put their website at the bottom of my video. And, they've got storage containers. I mean, there's a sample pack that they probably gave me of all the different colors. You'd have to contact them. I don't understand the extra strength, but that might be something. Then, they have nuclear, black, maybe extra large, custom pink. I mean, they've got chains, and they've got other things. I mean, keychain hardware, charms, metal blanks. Anyway, so I'll leave their website at the end of the video. And also, kind of a friend of mine now that I met up at I met him in person at the Next Level Laser. I did a video on his Dualtite adhesive that I love, and he's got really good plywood, but he also sells Keychain Thingies. So from these people, and they're the same price. And so if you're looking for shipping and you just want to get a few of these, you could buy some Dualtite or some plywood from him, and I'm sure he would add them on there. And really nice young man, and he's got videos on his product. But really, it's about these people, energetic. I like him and the gentleman from the other site. You're not buying from a corporation. This is like a mom and pop type deal. People found their little niche. He was Creative Cuts was just looking for better plywood, and he found better plywood, and that's how I found him. So I reached out, and I love his plywood. It stays really flat. I mean, he picked out a good one. And then I thought I would add a little bit of Corel to it. If you're interested in getting these, they suggest so let's just make a keychain. So I'm going to make it whatever size you want, and you can unlock your ratio. And let's make it 4 by 1.5. And I draw in the center of the page for this reason. And we're fixing to show it off. I'm going to go ahead and round off the corners of the keychain I'm going to type in like 0.2. That's good enough. Now they suggest a 0.19 hole. Well, there goes back to keeping your ratio locked. A 0.19, 0.19, and then put it in the center of the page. And then select them both and hit L. Now they want it, or they suggest that you should be an inch or an eighth of an inch off the edge. So you've got your nudge factor. There's your hole size. There's your hole size and your placement. And then you can write anything on there you want. And I went out to the shop and ran a couple out of wood, and I love them. I'll be buying some in the future. I've got a little supply right now. Anyway, I'll leave both websites and I'll actually leave the videos for that plywood and the Dualtite at the bottom of the video too. Anyway, just for your information, and thank you for watching.